teacher. I have some concerns as it relates to the risk that teachers will face related to the bureaucratic registration process and the licensing process that the JTC bill is putting forward. First of all, Section 35 and 36 that looks at the double approval process. This will increase career risk. I mean, Section 35 requires the teachers to apply for registration, and then Section 36 requires a teacher to apply for a separate license for teaching. I mean, when I got my teaching license in 2005, I haven't renewed it, and I'm in the university. So we have to begin to understand that if we plan to put our teachers through a lot of processes, then this might deter them from really participating in the process. Section 44, the mandatory license expiry period. This is too short. Currently, it's 5 years. We have some recommendations where that is concerned. Section 45, the unrealistic renewal window. Oh, come on. 6 months minimum. 3 months is here, but we need 6 months minimum. We have some recommendations where that is concerned as well. Section 46, the repeated police record requirement for our teachers. Our teachers, repeated police record. Come on, we have some recommendations where that is concerned as well. I mean, I don't think the act caters to the needs of our teachers both in the short term and the long term. It does not provide for medical emergencies. It does not provide for maternal or paternity leave. And if there's a family crisis, what will our teachers do? Rural access limitations also? Come on, we have to do better. We understand the situation and we are up for a good bill, but we recommend the following. 1, we want to extend the licensing period from the current 5 years to 10 years. 2, we want the JTC to be funded by government subventions and not teachers' licensing or renewal fees. Police records, once, and only if you have reasonable doubt or suspicion that a teacher has participated in some other activity, then you ask for another police record. We want to introduce a 6-month grace period for license renewal instead of the 3 months, and also we want to merge registration and licensing into a single process to reduce duplication and also reduce delay. Come on, the teachers are the foundation of a modern Jamaica. And without them, the country cannot grow and advance to where it ought to be. Let us try our best to focus on modernizing the teaching experience. Let us try to focus on giving the teachers the tools they need in order for them to provide the foundation that the country requires to move forward. My other colleagues are here. You'll hear more from us as we proceed.